Beat on me, Levi. Hi. What do you think about this? Feels good? Feels good? Let's start to scrub ya. Scrub ya? Look at this fun little brush.
He didn't like the brush.
It's got soap in it. Look at that. You scrub the belly. It's really for scrubbing the hair. Scrub that dry skin out of your hair. Hi. Does it feel good? Hi. Hi. You like that? Ooh, water on the face. Okay, we got a little bit of cradle cap, so we're gonna scrub it out. Does it feel good?